How to change username on edits. Changing your Instagram edits username is an easy way to refresh your profile or rebrand yourself. So let's do it. First, go to your profile and tap on Edit Profile. Remember, edits it's connected to Instagram, so you have to change Instagram's username to change the edits username. Now, in the username field, delete your old username and type the new one you want. Instagram will automatically check if the username is available. If it's taken, you will see a warning and need to pick another. Make sure to pick something memorable and relevant to you or your brand. After entering a valid username, save your changes by tapping done or the check mark. Remember, changing your username might make it harder for some followers to find you, so announce the change if you have an audience. Do you have a story behind your current username? Let me know about it in the comments below. Changing your username is a simple but important step, so choose wisely and update your bio accordingly. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.